Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we will explore how to use the OnCollisionStay function in Unity. What is OnCollisionStay? OnCollisionStay is a Unity function that is called every frame while a game object is in contact with another object. Unlike OnTriggerStay, it requires its trigger to be disabled and works with rigid body components. When to use OnCollisionStay? Keeping the player attached to a moving platform. Applying continuous damage while inside a dangerous area. Moving an object when it collides with another, for example, a conveyor belt. Let's create the safe zone in our Unity scene. Create a new game object in the hierarchy and rename it safe zone. Add a box collider and disable its trigger. Attach a rigid body. Set use gravity equals false and is kinematic equals true to prevent movement. We will create a float type variable called jump force. This variable will determine how high our character can jump. Next, if our character is standing on a specific object, we will apply an upward force every second. To do this, we'll use the vector.up value and apply a force equal to jump force. This will cause our character to continuously jump upward. In this step, we are checking the player tag using the comparative method. This ensures that our code correctly identifies the player character. But don't forget to assign the player tag to your character. If you skip this step, the script won't recognize the player, and the functionality won't work as expected. Now it's time to test our script and see how it reacts in the game. As you can see, when our character steps onto the object, it starts bouncing like a spring. The applied force makes it jump continuously, just like a trampoline effect. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.